Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. Making eye contact with people can be a powerful way to show respect and build relationships. When you get it right, making eye contact shows respect, interest in conversation, and can help to create a sense of connection. When you get it wrong, it can seem aggressive, intimidating, or downright creepy. When you get it right, eye contact can help you to create trust and is a sign of your confidence. It can also help in communication by allowing people to convey meaning and emotion through their eyes. In addition, making eye contact can help people to remember each other better and can even help to make conversations more meaningful. When it comes to building relationships, making eye contact is an important part of making someone feel heard and valued. People often feel more connected to someone when they make eye contact with because it helps them to focus on the conversation and really understand what is being said. It can also help to show that you're interested in the conversation and that you're engaged in what the other person is actually saying. In terms of communication, making eye contact helps to convey meaning and emotion. People are often more likely to listen to someone they're looking at, and this can help to make conversations more meaningful. It helps you to show that you understand and empathize with the other person. It helps you to create trust. It helps you to show that you're honest and reliable and that you're not afraid to make yourself vulnerable. This all builds trust. Eye contact helps to create long-lasting impressions, and hence it can help people to remember details about each other better. This can be particularly useful in business or social settings and is foundation for forming lasting relationships. And yet, all in all, making eye contact with people is a powerful way to show respect and build relationships. It can help you to create trust, communication, emotion, and meaning. And it even helps people to remember each other better. But the caveat is you need to get the time right too. The optimal length of time to maintain eye contact varies from situation to situation, but in general, it's beneficial to remember to be mindful of the other person's comfort level and to not appear overly aggressive or intimidating. So here's the rule. To maintain appropriate eye contact without staring, you should maintain eye contact for 50% of the time when you're speaking, and 70% of the time when you're listening. And maintain it for 3 to 4 seconds. Longer than 4 to 5 seconds with someone who's not your intimate partner is inappropriate and just plain creepy. If you get anything out of my videos, please boop the like and subscribe buttons so that others can share in the benefits too.